In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete apps here on an iPhone 16. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now there's two different methods to do this. Method 2 is pretty awesome, so I definitely recommend sticking around till then. But the first method is super simple. Essentially just find whatever app you're trying to delete on the home screen and just press and hold down on it. Select the remove app, and then you're going to see two different options on here. You're going to see remove from home screen or delete app. Go ahead and select delete app, and it will remove that content for you. Now, I like method number 2 because it shows you the exact storage space that you're freeing up, so I would recommend doing method number 2 instead. But method number 2 is easy. Just open up your settings, scroll down to the general tab. From here, select iPhone storage, and just in the section where it says applications to search specifically for whatever app you're trying to remove. So for example, TikTok, I could go ahead and search for that, open it up, and then as you can see, TikTok takes up about 5 gigabytes of storage for me, where I just simply have to go ahead and hit delete, and it's going to, delete the app and all of the related data from the iPhone, including all that storage. It's going to free up. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can delete apps here on an iPhone 16. I would use method number 2 if I were you. But before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.